Hey all, today we're looking at this. This is an LIFX Mini bulb. It's a bit smaller than the standard bulb. It is a smart color changing light, if you're not familiar with these. And this is the newest version of the Mini bulb. I've used the old one before, and unfortunately, mine failed. In fact, I've had two fail. I don't really blame the bulb. It is the one that's installed in my bathroom in a very tight light fixture. Combined with the humidity and the heat buildup that probably happens in that light fixture, they don't last that long inside that thing. Every single bulb in my bathroom has failed at some point, including the original one the landlord installed, one of those non-replaceable LED fixtures. So anyway, I'm not going to be too harsh on my original bulbs, but hopefully this one lasts a bit longer than the others. I do notice this one is 950 lumens, whereas the old one was 1000 lumens. So I guess we'll just open this up. Inside we get a getting started guide, and there's a little pull tab here and then the bulb is right here. So this is the LIFX bulb, and that's it. That's everything that's in the box. So inside we have our bulb and our manual, and on the back of the manual is the QR code, which I'm not going to show you, which is the Matter QR code. We'll look into that in a bit. So here we have three LIFX bulbs. This is the one that obviously is bad. It came from the fixture, and I'm replacing. This is the older version of the LIFX Mini bulb. And then this is the new one, obviously. And then this is a standard LIFX bulb. As you can see here, the Mini is just a bit smaller, and something you'd want for a fixture where you simply can't put the full-size one in. So next, we're going to insert this into the light fixture. Okay, and there's the light fixture, and you can see the Mini bulb is installed. I'm not going to put the glass on just yet, so now we'll turn on the power and we'll set it up. Okay, so the bulb is on, and now we just need to configure it. So we'll go back to my table and set things up. This is the Matter QR code, and this is what you need to pair the device, and you need to keep this safe somewhere. So now we'll just bring my phone over and we'll scan it, and we get a little pop-up that says Add Smart Home Device. This device can be added with Smart Things. Add to different app. I don't want to use Smart Things. I use Home Assistant. You'll be greeted with this, which will let you see all of your Matter devices. Choose another app. And I'm going to use Home Assistant, but you use the application that works for you. So we'll go Home Assistant, and I'm ready. It's going to connect to device, and it's done. And we want to add this to Home Assistant. Yes, add device, and it has been added. And we can see the device here in Home Assistant, device info. So now what I want to do is I want to share this with Google as well. So I can click Share Device. We'll get a new QR code. We'll copy this. Go to Home, hit plus, set up. I didn't even have to do that, so I got a new code. This is set up without QR code. We'll paste it here. Next, agree, I'm ready. And now it's also on our Google Home. And we'll add that to my bathroom device. Now I can go to the bathroom, three lights. We can see my old one there, and we have the new one here. And, well, you can't see it off camera. I can control it just like that. Now we'll go into the LIFX app and finish setting up there. Now we don't need to do another code. It will just find it on the network. So we should see our bulb here. Finish setup. Almost done. Continue. It's going to go into my apartment, into a new group called Bathroom. And we'll name it and we'll call it Bathroom LIFX Mini. We're not going to do that, and we're done. So it's connected with three different ways of managing the light, and we're good to go. So I guess what we'll do now is we'll put on the fixture and finish up. And there's the bulb reinstalled in its fixture. And we can change the color with my voice assistant now. Okay, change the color of the bathroom lights to purple. And now the bathroom light's purple. Hey Google, change the color of the bathroom light to incandescent. And now it's incandescent. And there it is. It's a color-changing LIFX bulb. I hope this one lasts longer than the other two. But yeah, that fixture certainly is not helping. And that wraps up this quick look at this LIFX Mini Smart Bulb. I don't notice any brightness difference between the 950 to 1000. Hopefully this new version lasts longer in that horrible light fixture I have. But they're fun bulbs. This is the only LIFX bulb that I've had fail. All my other ones have lasted for half a decade now. They've been absolutely great. This one just happens to be forced to work in a hostile environment. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!